This is Kyrie. This is Zori. Yeah.
Hey guys, how are you guys?
You're good. Let's go. So I can get the time later.
It seemed like, you were really assertive offensively from the jump. Just, what went into that mindset today?
I just wanted to get off to a good start against a good team and do everything necessary to win. We got you, Kai.
Kyrie, you were, what's today? On Wednesday, you were kind of big on being easy on expectations for TJ, just giving his leg off and everything. But, 17 minutes, 10 points. What did you make of his first game with you guys?
I was really excited for him. Like I said the other night, just him doing all of those things, getting back, the 2 years. Just really happy for him and proud of him. You can't take it for granted when you take 2 years to come back to a game that you love or a craft that you love. Kai.
Kyrie, you guys have now won 4 in a row and 7 of the last 9. Just wondering, just wondering.
Yeah.
4 in a row.
This is my press conferences anyway. Yeah. So. It's wild and great. Yeah.
4 in a row, 7 of the last 9. Just what's changed in this team?